Hello everyone, so welcome back to the new lab session of Microsoft Excel. So in this example we'll see one exciting feature of Microsoft Excel, that is how to apply VLOOKUP over multiple sheets. Okay, so in our lab 35 and 36 we have already seen that if you have a set of records here and you want to search the detail or view the detail using VLOOKUP in the same sheet, we have already seen. Okay, now suppose if you have a scenario where the number of subjects are more, let's say 10 to 12 subjects are there and the number of students are also more, so it's difficult to show the same thing in a same sheet. Okay, so what I do, or what we will do here, that if you have a set of record in one sheet, now you want to display the same detail using VLOOKUP in another sheet. So how to achieve it? Let's see. So for that, let me add one sheet here. So here I've added, let's say, one more sheet. Now I want this sheet 1 detail in sheet 8. Okay, based on the condition that we have already seen here. Okay, so let me bind the name first. Let's say here, let me write it, let's say select name, and now what I do, in this cell I want to bind these names. Okay, so how to bind the names we have already seen using data validation section. So how to do, just click on data, go to data validation. Okay, now select on list. Now here in source you have to select this sheet 1 value. Now click OK, and you see in sheet 8 all the names are appearing. So you see how easily you can get it. Okay, so you see all the names are appeared of sheet 1. Okay, so for the time being I'm just taking one example. Let's say I want to check the English mark using VLOOKUP of a selected student here. Okay, so how to get it? So just write equal to VLOOKUP. Now the lookup value is the student name, then table area is sheet 1, select the region. Now press F4 for absolute value. Now put comma, then which column value you want, that is English, that is column 3, 1, 2 and 3. So let me write here 3. Now press comma and write false and press enter. You see, you can easily select any of the student and you will get. Now see, Abhinav Mishra he has got 65 in English. Let me check. So Abhinav Mishra he got 65 in English. I want to check, let's say Aditya Das. So if I select here Aditya Das, you see he got 90. Aditya Das got 90. Barun Kumar Mahapatra got 56. So you could see here, if I select Barun Kumar Mahapatra, I got 56. So you see how easily you can use VLOOKUP over multiple sheets. So this is a very important feature of Microsoft Excel you could see in here. So try to practice it, and if you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section. So thank you very much. We'll see some more feature in the upcoming video. So thank you very much.